report from our senior crime reporter Malik Mohammad Imran. Pickle eaters should be careful. On the order of DG Food Authority, the food safety team raided the pickle unit in a Badami Bagh and destroyed 3,000 kg of ready-made fungus-infested pickle and seized the drum. A case was registered against 10. According to the ongoing details, pickles were being prepared secretly in a house-like warehouse located in a narrow street of Badami Bagh. The DG Food Authority said that the root and vegetables were found to be kept uncovered in a drum with chemicals added on them. The pickles in a brand new drums were found to be infested with fungus, insects and flies. The women put up strong resistance to stop the action on the pickle unit, but the pickles were destroyed in the presence of the police. According to the Asim Javed DG Food Authority, without license, product registration, pickles were being prepared in a very dilapidated building. Adulterated spices and poor quality salt were being used for the preparation of the pickles. Fungus and chemicals fruit and vegetables were to be sold at high prices in the name of pickles with attractive packaging. Strict action is being taken against those who cheat in the name of food. Compliance with laws is our responsibility and social-friendly practice. The public is requested to report 1223 for elimination of harmful substances in environment.